Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can connect a pendrive to Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So it is actually possible to connect a pendrive to your smartphone. However, in order to do that, we also need to use an adapter that looks somewhat like this. On the one side we have the USB-C, and on the other we have the default typical USB. So in order to use the pendrive, first we need to use the adapter. Let's plug it in at the bottom of the device. There we go. And now, of course, we can plug in the pendrive. There we go. And now we should be able to use the pendrive. Let's actually open the device. And now, while you are plugged in, of course, you can go, for instance, to the Google Files app. And now over here you can see in storage devices that I have additional button that is for my pendrive. So if I go there, I can access pretty much everything from the pendrive. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.